In pharma sales and marketing, we depend a lot on our past solution, or we can say in our past decades long experience. We love to live in the past. Something which was working 3-4 decades back, or something which was working when we started our career, or something which was working probably our bosses started the career, we feel like that is going to work now also. And this past knowledge or past information, past experience goes with one basic, one pet line, that basics remain the same, or basics does not change. What is the basic? Probably no one knows, because whatever we feel like, we give it on the name of basic. There is no definition of the basic. One such quick fix solution is that when doctor does not prescribe or sales are not happening in expected line, we increase the frequency of call. Which means, if we are meeting doctor once in a month, let us meet twice in a month. If you are meeting twice in a month, let us meet thrice in a month. If you are meeting some doctor twice in a month or thrice in a month, let us meet some doctor 4 times in a month also. Or some companies let us meet on alternate day also. Which means, increasing frequency is being made as a solution to every damn thing. See, it does not work now. I'll tell you why it does not work now, but before that, I will tell from where this solution come from. See, it was in the decade of early 80s when MNC company used to dominate Indian pharma market, or MNC companies were in the top in Indian pharma scenario. These companies used to have a working cycle of maybe 45 days, 60 days, or some companies even 90 days. What that means? That means that they meet all the doctors once in 45 days. Or at least once in 45 days. Or 60-day cycle means they will meet all the doctor once in at least 60 days. Or in case of 90-day cycle, once at least in the 90 days. So that used to be their frequency. And that time Indian companies comes and they reduce the cycle. They reduce the cycle to 30 days system. Which means Indian company brought it to that. Every doctor will meet maximum in 30 days. Which means we start meeting doctor more frequently, and as an Indian company we were successful also. And this was considered as a big sales strategies in the decade of 80s. Otherwise also, if you look back, evaluation of pharma sales and marketing in India, 1980s decade was considered very good from the sales management point of view. And one of the big strategies those days was the increasing the frequency of the call. So Indian companies become successful in that, and they start gaining better market share, they start growing more, and MNC company took time to respond to that. And then it became a rule, then if your business is down or doctors are not prescribing or less prescribing, increase the frequency of the call. And this kind of become a norm till now also. So this is from where it comes. Now, why it does not work now? See, when something new comes, it has a time to work. It can't be effective for infinite period. As most of the company start doing that, and then this become a kind of common. So too many companies has come. See, if you look at, say, from the decade of 1980s, multiple times number of companies has come, more medical reps have come, much more call frequencies. So if we compare situation from 1980s to the now, look at a doctor, how many medical reps or how many company they are supposed to meet that time, and how many medical reps or company they are supposed to meet now. That too, those days medical reps or company used to be source of information, source of knowledge. Today they're more source of even can say demand, is strong prescription demand, and something like those emotional issues only, or maybe some other newer things, but not source of information or the knowledge. Now the situation is that doctors or the hospitals start avoiding the calls in last 10-15 years. Situation has come that some hospital has made a card, only the person or the medical rep holding the card can get inside the hospital, that too maybe 1 hour or 2 hours in a week. Some hospital has put up a kind of monthly charges also. You have to pay this much monthly charges to be able to visit to the doctor. And like that, many more system has come in different cities. Another probable reason of increasing frequency is that many managers feel that what else we can do? This is the only thing work, and this is the only thing we know, or the only thing you can say we can do it. So whence sale is not increasing, or sale is finding chips are down, increase the frequency. That is the only thing work. That is probably we have learned. And their belief system is that customer coverage is solution to everything. So just do it. Rest it will take care. Probably we miss that. Probably this is the only thing these managers knows. They don't know any other solution. That is why they suggest all the time this thing. Now if doctor does not prescribe, instead of increasing frequency, we need to check our communication to the doctor. Or put it other words, we need to respond to why. Why doctor should prescribe to you. Whether your quality is better than other companies, whether your composition of your product is better than other product compositions or other companies' product compositions, whether some feature of your product is better than other companies' feature, whether your price is more attractive or something else. You need to respond to that why. What differentiate or what difference it makes to the practice of the doctor, or what difference it make to the patient of the doctor, or what difference it make to the relationship with the doctor. See, it is not going to be simply ego massage or I'm meeting kind of thing, because I'm meeting you for last 1 month, 2 month, 3 month or 1 year, and so that you prescribe. So those kind of funda does not work. I have not asked you to meet. So long back we used to say, doctor, I'm coming to regularly, you should write for me, and that does not make any sense today. We need to check our communication. We need to check why doctor should write. We need to look more logically, and this increasing frequency are definitely not a solution. We should not look at the past and let us look at the future. I hope this discussion can be useful and give you food for think for all of you.